Just got back from a nice run, and we have in front of us what is a Spuncture kit. Alright, let me show it for you. It comes neatly packed in a cardboard box. This is the name. It's not ugly and unwieldy like a lot of other kits. Let's get this out of the way. That's it. Just one neatly machined aluminium case. Everything we need is contained in here. Screws out on one end. Right, these are the two things we need. There is a little fork thing to take out the nail from this end, and there's a little spanner to screw tight the reamer and the plug gap. We've also given two blades in one kit. Okay, pull these out. And these are your regular tubeless plugs. I hope you don't have to use all of them, but in case you do, you can just get any from the market or Amazon and put it back in. Fits in quite neat, so we'll keep these aside for the time being. Let's screw this back on so we don't lose it. Right. So to start off, just screw in both the reamer and the plug insert. Just tighten it with this. Okay. Now once you get a grip of this, you can also put a plug and put it in here. But now once you're going to put this in and remove it from your tire, all the air is going to be leaking out. So you've got to be quick with this. It's a very convenient solution versus having two handles, open the plug, ream the hole, keep that one down, look for the other one, then put it here. Meanwhile, all the air is leaked off, and your puny little compressor is not enough to fill it back in. So this makes it very convenient. Clean it, plug it, and then cut it. Hopefully, you never need to do it, but if you do, best of luck. Ride safe. Bye.